Yo! Welcome to 77 Blocks. This is a fan-made reaction video. All credit goes to the original streamer. Let's get
You are holding your mess. You are holding your mess.
Like this.
That's why I'm making you
Shank.
fat.
This is the cool Shank. I'm not used to this.
If you are not eating, and you are getting fat. Yes, that's why I'm making you fat. If you are not eating, do you hear what this motherfucker? What is it? What is it? I said all of it. Kante was not this big before, now, am I right?
Yes, man. But it was bigger than this at some point, bro.
If you don't eat sometimes, you'll be fat because your body will be open to take anything.
And I just feel this nigga be holding his fat and his poo, and that's what just making this guy fat.
I don't understand.
No, I mean.
So you're trying to deny the fact that it's fat.
Okay, fat. You're fat.
Yeah, you get fat.
No, I'm big.
Eyes look like laser. Open his
I have
smoking every day. Where's Kante? Kante, come. Just that. Kante, come and show you. You are blessed. Come. And this guy is unique.
Why is our presence not showing like, why is our own presence where we are present in
No, you just put it on the map now.
this place is road here, okay, sorry.
It's because we are emotional.
Nah, I don't think so.
Yeah. My brother. My G. Big Tony in the chat, baby. I'm streaming right now.
Yes, it is.
I'm streaming right now.
Oh, for real?
I swear.
Yeah, come on, you done.
I got you. Bless my bro.
Your phone.
I'm streaming, so my boys are sending it to me. They are following my stream. This is my team.
This.
Amala. Sorry, you want to buy Amala? How you doing? Love.
Everything here, buddy. Everything here.
Should we eat it? Let's eat it. She's upstairs.
What am I on just finish the other? We can just go upstairs now. Someone will take all this over instead of just standing
Okay.
here.
No, don't you enjoy shopping for this? Eh?
As a premium,
Yes. No, at least enjoy it. Don't shop for your food.
you have glasses on.
Eh?
You have glasses on. So enjoy.
Yeah, Amala,
yeah.
Thank you. Okay, sorry, my bad.
Yeah, no. Waiting here.
No, waiting here.
No call.
How you guys doing? Nice to meet you. Bless. Let me see. Can you say put a lot of meat? When I tell you order anything and you be scared. But the bastard will order anything. Guys, it's okay now.
Let me see.
Yes, no.
Let's not say fat. Why you lying now?
Who is buying again?
I'm buying.
Yeah.
I'm
not buying. You know, you guys buy yours first.
Give me.
No, wait now. You buy yours first.
Let me see first. Why do you point to? Is it because of my body size? You're already saying 2.
No, it's not 8.
1 cow meat, yeah?
You eat a lot.
It's not 8. I don't know
Guys, Kante can never lose weight because if he eats today, he'll go and work out in the evening. And I eat everything. He eat it back. The same. He will eat the way that he will eat everything back.
I don't need cow meat too. Like this big one, just one.
Yes.
Big beef like your cow meat, you know what I mean? Like as there's goat meat like this cow meat.
No.
Oh, that's not bone. I look like a dog. I just joking.
Oh my time. Don't worry, enjoy this moment. I'm never calling you again. You're feeling too at all. Okay, what the fuck, right?
Don't
worry.
This is our last time on the stream, you're laughing.
This is your last time on the stream, you're laughing. Ever, bro.
Why?
Yeah, you guys are too comfortable. Can we smoke weed? Am I not even road with you? I'm the victim here. You're not a road with. I'm the victim here. Why am I the one paying for you? You're supposed to pamper me like, we got you high.
I was on my
I'm the victim.
Shank called me. What's up? Like, you can pull up. And I said, why not? He said, pull up. And I said, why not?
But we all smoke the weed together. Why am I the one paying for the food?
Did you smoke the weed? Do you know the chat was saying
why did you say for the beginning that is the highest, is the lowest that is going to pay?
You bought the
Oh, sorry, sir.
I want
Yeah, what? Yeah, I'm just holding my food. Like, why?
The manager is here. He says instruction. No, sure.
Bro, just
My English is better. My English is smoother now.
Forgive me.
I feel like cat right now. You're a chat. They're using the chair right now. God, I'm never getting high like this again, bro. I can't even lie.
With so much confidence.
I'm not myself. I'm not myself.
I was protecting your food so bad.
But now just this small pour. I thought it was the full food, I swear. I was like, it's gone.
So that stuff is not working.
So which one is my food now? Kante, bring your food here. You haven't even done eating. Can you sneak your food in?
Like, did you...
You sniff your food.
We just got here, like...
Can we just go to your finish your own? We'll leave here soon. Guy, how did I even do that? I should do that when I'm going. I'm done.
Like,
oh, whatever, man. That's my glasses, thank you. My go crazy glasses. Don't you eat?
Should I go with
Go
her?
crazy.
I should go steezy. Nah, no steez on this one.
So, wow. Guy, this place is so cool.
Kante, you are supposed to be here.
Let's pray first.
When you have already tasted pomo, you have tasted pomo, you say let's pray.
I felt
There's
bad.
poison in you should be dead soon.
I don't
You are
know.
even saying, bless you, Lord, for Christ's sake. Amen.
What if you feel like you want to poison?
Kante have to start the stand up like this. You just fall out, girl. Kante has already licking his hand like this.
Detective in highness.
Really?
Hey, detective.
I'm on your life as sport. There's no coming back for this. Yeah, that doesn't.
Well, you did that too earlier.
I don't do that. Like, I don't do that. No, I stopped that shit like long time. Just because of the stream I came back.
Anybody that is not eating pomo is missing.
How are you trying to make this guy?
Why is there no music here? This place. With these teas.
You don't have speakers, but
-1. Wait, more. I can't even blame Donald Trump. He didn't even beg me to come. That place is so fucking expensive. I miss Nigeria, I confess.
One plate.
Yes, one fucking plate. One for Guy, if you are there, that's why you end up eating burger. You see Nigerians over there, not fat.
Yeah, you
are not eating pepperish food.
As when you are blaming them, you're thinking, you fat like this.
You're eating a lot of burgers and all those things. Because those ones are cheaper.
Yeah, than the African food.
and the African food.
No, man. Cameraman no dey chop. I told him to chop. He says he's not chopping yet.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Which water is this one?
You may just open new one.
Yeah, no.
I don't get. Water is water now.
Like any
Use your
water.
water.
Anyhow, any water, man, I'm good. You know my water.
You drink water now.
But I don't know. I just have that pee. I don't know.
There's me in water.
I'm an African man.
Me too. What is it? I won't put your water. I just want one.
But not like there's anything now. We are all you get. Our past.
Can't ate before we got here, guy. I'm not even lying. That's the $30 I was spending now.
Oh, but how long did you spend at $30 for?
I spent it for a month and a half.
So like every day you were eating, you were...
No. I started moving to areas like Gary.
How do I see them do value Gary?
Yeah, I've traveled from London. I traveled with Gary in my bag.
Survivor, Nigerian boy.
Shanko.
You see that Shanko is a different thing. That alter is good.
Yeah, we go. You have not seen Shanko.
You guys have not seen Shanko.
That is street boy.
You
are seeing the Shank.
No, but I think it was out today, Shank. Yeah. But no. How would you just wake up on a Monday morning and invite two of your...
No one smoke weed.
I was like, one day. Man, I'm like, okay, bro, stream now, okay, because she be myself like this.
Means I was shocked that my mind just like I just do it. Like it's gonna be a cool stream. Let's guess me. How much do you guess? Okay, say 80K. How much do you guess for the food?
I think 35.
35. Guys, just 51K.
Oh,
okay, but wait a lot now.
What do you eat? You eat crocodile?
Guy, eat meat on the wall. This one never see me. Guy, eat meat on the wall.
like the fact nobody is here, safe, bro. See how like that. The Shank is like.
Eh?
Are you your partner? Are you your room?
I'm chill though. Lead gang fucking shit.
Very common.
I am chilled as fuck. 51K. How much? Do you know how much is Kante food? Only Kante food.
Like how we? Let me see.
Someone say 51K. I got it. Someone say 51K.
In the chat, someone said 51K in the chat. Oh, who said 50K? Was it Kante?
No, Kante didn't say 50K. Just say 35K.
No.
How much did you say?
Don't say anything.
You did not say anything. Don't look at it. Don't look at the bastard. Can't even say I got it. I got it. Madman.
You didn't say anything, Joe.
What bank? No, I'm not playing after I'm with Kante.
Kante is not like a very.
I don't play Kante.
My nigga, I don't agree to you.
I can't play that shit with Kante, bro. Kante has personal. Kante is the final opportunity to beat me this. And it's going to kill me. Kante will gang guys.
I feel he's dead and I'm not even bothered.
Bro,
like my phone has been dead since W stream.
Guy, 3 hours. Shank, ask Kante to read ABC.
What do people mean?
Yeah, that's disrespectful, but like,
fan love.
What's fan love?
To the glass.
Are you beating yourself?
No.
You're the one not see.
What happened? Lead gang, hey, love, how you doing? I can't even see love, my bro. No, I didn't see at first, but now I can see.
You can't see him.
Cyber truck, please. That cyber truck going on like it's no man. Beg you, right? But I have a small cyber truck. I don't even know about that one. Like, guys, Facebook, wow.
Yes, look.
The name bust the head, guys. Give it to Josh.
Yeah.
W in the chat. Lead gang, it was nice hanging out with you guys today, man.
Gang shit.
Gang shit.
See you guys some other time. Gang shit.
I beg now.
No.
You guys, W stream, we outside. I'm Shank. Lead gang shit. Have fun, stay happy, stay positive, stay chilled. No prayer. No prayer. Stay on your own P. And have some chilled guys. I love y'all so much. We outside.
Love you guys.
Guy.
Make sure you eat Amala.